What if I told you that Apple is about to completely change how wireless earbuds sound, feel, and connect to your life? The next generation Apple AirPods 5 is not just an upgrade. It's a smart audio revolution. New design, smarter AI features, better battery, and a price that might surprise everyone. So before you buy any earbuds in 2025, watch this video till the end, because AirPods 5 could be a total game changer. Welcome back to the channel. If you love Apple products, leaks, and future tech, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about Apple AirPods 5. We'll cover expected release date, price details, design changes, new features, sound quality upgrades, battery life, and why AirPods 5 could beat the competition. Let's start from the beginning. Apple usually upgrades AirPods every 2 to 3 years, and according to industry leaks, AirPods 5 is already in development. Apple wants AirPods to be more than just earbuds. They want them to become a personal AI assistant, a health companion, and the best everyday audio device. AirPods 5 is expected to focus heavily on smart features, comfort, and sound intelligence. Now let's talk about the most asked question. When will AirPods 5 launch? Based on Apple's previous launch pattern, AirPods 2 gives March launch. AirPods 3 gives October launch. Leaks suggest Apple AirPods 5 could launch in late 2025, most likely September or October 2025, alongside new iPhones. Apple often announces accessories during big events, so expect AirPods 5 to be revealed at a major Apple keynote. Now let's talk about money. Currently, AirPods 3 price around $179. AirPods Pro are more expensive. For AirPods 5, experts predict starting price $179 to $199. Apple may increase the price slightly due to new chip technology, AI-powered features, improved audio hardware. However, Apple will likely keep AirPods 5 cheaper than AirPods Pro. To target more users, Apple doesn't change design without reason. AirPods 5 is expected to bring a slimmer and lighter stem, better ear fit for long usage, improved sweat and water resistance. The charging case might become more compact, stronger hinge, faster charging support. Apple focuses heavily on comfort, so AirPods 5 could be the most comfortable AirPods ever. This is where AirPods 5 could really shine. Expected improvements: deeper bass, clearer vocals, better balance between music layers. Apple may introduce next-generation audio drivers, improved spatial audio accuracy, better sound clarity at low volume. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, AirPods 5 aims to deliver premium sound without distortion. AirPods 5 is expected to feature a new Apple audio chip, possibly called H3 chip. This chip could bring faster connectivity, better power efficiency, smarter noise handling, real-time sound optimization. With this chip, AirPods 5 could automatically adjust sound depending on your surroundings, your movement, the content you're listening to. Although AirPods Pro is known for ANC, AirPods 5 may get improved passive noise isolation, smarter adaptive sound control. Apple might introduce AI-based sound filtering, better voice focus during calls, reduce background noise in busy areas. This means clearer calls even in traffic or crowded places. Battery life is always important. Expected battery improvements: 6 to 7 hours on a single charge, up to 30 hours with charging case. The new chip could help reduce battery drain, making AirPods 5 more efficient, faster charging, longer lasting over time. Even a 5-minute charge might give you hours of listening. AirPods 5 could become smarter than ever. Possible AI features: smarter Siri responses, voice detection improvements, personalized audio tuning. Apple wants AirPods to work perfectly with iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Apple Vision devices. Just open the case, and it connects instantly. That's Apple magic. This part is exciting. Apple is experimenting with ear-based sensors, health tracking via audio devices. AirPods 5 might include posture awareness, listening habit tracking, environmental sound alerts. This won't replace Apple Watch, but it could add extra smart health features for gamers and callers. Lower audio latency, clearer microphone quality, reduced echo and distortion. AirPods 5 could become perfect for online classes, video calls, mobile gaming, streaming. AirPods 5 is perfect for iPhone users, students, office workers, content consumers, casual gamers. If you want premium Apple sound without paying pro-level price, AirPods 5 could be the best choice. AirPods 5 will likely offer better sound, longer battery, smarter features, more future-proof technology. If you're still using older AirPods, this upgrade will feel massive. Apple AirPods 5 is shaping up to be smarter, stronger, more comfortable, and more powerful than ever. With a possible 2025 launch, improved sound, better battery, and smarter AI, AirPods 5 could become the most popular wireless earbuds in the world. So, what do you think about Apple AirPods 5? Is it worth the wait? Or are you happy with your current AirPods? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple leaks and future tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.